Let me guess, you're struggling to make money as a developer. You feel like you've been doing everything you need to do to put yourself in a position to make money. Maybe even a side hustle, work from home, if you're a stay-at-home mom, just to trying to get a little money sitting at your desk at your convenience on the side or something like that. And you're just struggling. You need somewhere to go, guys. In this video, we're going to cover 3 things that's going to put you in a position to make the money that you want and also take the stress level down from you guys so that you can start at square one with no experience as a developer. So you reached the right video. Let me explain. So guys, let's start with the number one thing here. You have to know the money-making landscape as a programmer. A lot of you guys struggle with this because you go online, you know the places that people are going as far as just the Fiverrs, the Upworks, some of the Indeed workspaces, all that stuff, but you really don't know what companies are looking for from a long-term perspective or a short-term perspective. A lot of you guys are really positioning yourself. You want to make money long-term, but you're presenting a short-term play for the actual person who's trying to give you their money. You got to understand the landscape, guys. And a lot of you guys gonna get this wrong because you are new. I understand it. So don't be down on yourself. The good news is you are here now and you're getting on the right track to actually start making money as a developer. A lot of you guys are thinking code at this point, but not with point number one. We're gonna talk about that later in the video. But point number one is primarily you are just trying to understand the landscape and see where you fit into that landscape so that you don't compete with these high-level experienced developers trying to get those jobs when they're out of your reach. You want to target just the jobs that are the side hustles, the part-time stuff that's going to really put you in a position to win as a beginner, or even somebody who don't even have experience, guys. It really comes down to just knowing the landscape and the other 2 things that we're going to talk about in this video, guys. So at the end of the day, what we want you guys to do is just really understand that, hey, there are short-term plays, there are long-term plays. There are plays that, hey, they're gonna lowball you, which is okay at the beginning if that's what you just need the money. And there's long-term plays where you can do more like a service contract, all that different type of work, depending on what programming language you're gonna do, and actually putting you guys in that position so that you can do. But one thing I want you guys to do, share your experience below as far as just what you've been doing to actually make money. Whether some of the side hustles, or you stay-at-home mom, or you're a college student, or you haven't graduated from college at all, share your experience below with us on how you guys are trying to make money as a freelance developer, or just if you're making money in general, just comment below so that we can actually start a conversation. Step number 2 is actually where things start to get very interested, and you got to really start paying attention because now you've been learning how to code, you've been doing your research, you've been landscaping, checking out the landscape. There's a lot of things that you've been doing, so you don't want to waste this time, and you want to actually be able to showcase your value, guys. Showcase your value is going to be critical to actually getting these actual work at home opportunities or making money opportunities or whatever the coding opportunity, long-term, short-term, whatever the play may be, is going to be critical that you showcase your value. At the beginning, you guys gonna just put, hey, skills on, hey, I know HTML, I've done this hello world. That's all in good. That's all in good when you're first learning. But when you are in the position of trying to make money and do something for somebody, you have to showcase what you're able to do, or what you want to do, or what you can do, and your ability to do that skill. Your resume got to showcase that. Your ability when you're talking to them during an interview got to showcase that. Your portfolio got to showcase that. In general conversation with these people, got to showcase that. And a lot of you guys get this wrong. And the reason I hate this point so much is because, yes, up until this point, you did everything you're supposed to do. You learned how to code, you taking a course, all that good stuff that you're doing online, researching. But when you get in front of the person who's gonna give you the dollars, you freeze up. You don't have no way of really positioning yourself to win. And this is where I would tell you guys, hey, calm down. If you go through our 7-step guide, links below for that, you will know what to do. We give you pretty much a blueprint on how to actually go by learning how to present yourself in the best way possible, even with no experience, guys. You're gonna have the advantage even over people who've got multiple years experience, because they just coming in with the technical stuff, which there's a place and time for the technical stuff. I'm not saying the technical stuff is not important. What I'm saying is you guys got to know when to present the technical stuff, when to showcase your value up front, when to have that resume right for that particular account so that you can start making that money. And the good thing about it is, even though if you're not the best interviewer in the world, you're going to be able to use your resume and your portfolio just to kind of go through all the skills you're going to be able to do, cross-reference everything, and put yourself in a position to win, guys. So if you haven't already, guys, links are below to all the goodies. Got links for the 7-step guide. It's free, by the way. And if you already got the 7-step guide, go check out our 30-day Launchpad course. Gonna help you guys, put you guys in a position to win, guys. So that's what we need to do. So go down there and check out those goodies. Last but not least, number 3. This is the one that you guys traditionally think about when you're talking about making money as a programmer online, where you want to make the side hustle. And it really comes down to projects. If you have the projects, you're going to make money, because the only thing you're doing at this point is repeating. You're making money with these projects. Hey, I've learned how to do a WordPress website. I've learned how to actually do the integration between their WordPress website and their main CRM or main system. I learned how to do the CRM to the accounting system. I learned all the different programs that I teach you guys in the 7-step guide that's going to allow you to be able to present this on your resume or whatever, communicating with this person. Hey, I've done that. Check me out. I did this for your competitor. I can do this for you, and I can do these other things, hence more money down the road once you actually get that rapport built and start to do those first initial projects. You doing this like this, you're not going to get lowballed, guys, because a lot of you guys get lowballed on this essential fact that they're taking a risk. They look at you as a risk. You have no projects. You don't know how to showcase your skills. You don't know anything about my industry. Why should I pay you 6 figures? And they are right now, but they won't be right once you actually get your stuff together and put yourself in a position so that you can do all 3 of the things that we talk about in this video, guys. I can't stress this enough. This is what's going to take the aspiring developer who just trying to learn how to code over to the making money, 6+ figures, living the lifestyle you want to live, the flexibility, work from home. This is for the work from home moms, all the non-technical people who want to get started. The blueprint is the same for everybody. I need you guys to actually get started with this, guys. It's time to take action, put yourself in a position to win, and go through all of this as if there's a sense of urgency. And the good news is, guys, you can actually start this right now, get started, making a little bit of money. You don't have to commit all the way. You just got to make sure you just put your plan into effect and put yourself in a position to win. So at the end of the day, guys, like, subscribe to the content. If you have additional questions, comment below. And if you haven't already, go check out the 7-step guide, guys. I got links here on my video, so go check that out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.